after heat from Italian regulators over alleged safety issues related to ChatGPT saw the app banned, OpenAI released a new blog post giving us a deep look at their approach to safety. Let's dive in and you can judge for yourself if OpenAI's security policies are adequate or not. To maintain the safety of its products, OpenAI conducts rigorous testing, engages external experts for feedback, and employs techniques like reinforcement learning with human feedback. They mentioned that after their latest model, GPT-4, finished training, they spent more than 6 months making it safer and more aligned before releasing it to the public. They recognize the importance of regulation and actively engage with governments, stating, "We believe that powerful AI systems should be subject to rigorous safety evaluations. Regulation is needed to ensure that such practices are adopted." Learning from real-world use is essential for OpenAI as it helps them improve safeguards. The blog post explains, "We cautiously and gradually release new AI systems with substantial safeguards in place to a steadily broadening group of people and make continuous improvements based on the lessons we learn." Underage usage was one of the key concerns for Italian regulators. OpenAI addresses this in the blog post. They state that they require users to be 18 or older or 13 or older with parental approval. OpenAI also has strict rules against generating harmful content, and they highlight that GPT-4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content compared to GPT 3.5. Furthermore, OpenAI collaborates with developers like Khan Academy on tailored safety mitigations and is working on features that allow developers to set stricter standards for model output. Respecting privacy is another priority for OpenAI. They don't use data for advertising or building profiles of people like social networks and search engines do, but instead use it to train their models to be more helpful. They also actively work to remove personal information from these training datasets and respond to requests to delete personal information from their systems. Improving factual accuracy is a significant focus for OpenAI, and they've made progress in this area. GPT-4 is 40% more likely to produce factual content than GPT 3.5 thanks to user feedback and other improvements. Continued research and engagement are crucial for OpenAI's safety approach. They believe that a practical approach to solving AI safety concerns is to dedicate more time and resources to researching effective mitigation and alignment techniques and testing them against real-world abuse. Working with their most capable models, OpenAI aims to improve safety and capabilities simultaneously. They say they'll be increasingly cautious with more capable models and continue enhancing safety precautions as their AI systems evolve. The blog post concludes with a call for effective governance of AI development and deployment, stating that policymakers and AI providers will need to ensure that AI development and deployment is governed effectively at a global scale, so no one cuts corners to get ahead. In a recent interview, Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, spoke about his dream scenario when it comes to creating regulation for AI.
My dream scenario, and I don't think we can quite get here, but let's say this is the platonic ideal and we can see how close we get, is that every person on Earth would come together, have a really thoughtful, deliberative conversation about where we want to draw the boundary on this system. And we would have something like the US Constitutional Convention, where we debate the issues and we look at things from different perspectives and say, well, this would be good in a vacuum, but it needs a check here. And then we agree on here are the rules, here are the overall rules of this system. And it was a democratic process. None of us got exactly what we wanted, but we got something that we feel good enough about. And then we and other builders build a system that has that baked in. Within that, then different countries, different institutions can have different versions. So, there's different rules about, say, free speech in different countries. And then different users want very different things. And that can be within the, within the bounds of what's possible in their country. So we're trying to figure out how to facilitate. Obviously, that process is impractical as stated, but what is something close to that we can get to?
While Altman's dream scenario might not be possible, he does plan to go on a world tour to meet users later this year, which is certainly one tiny step towards his platonic ideal. So what do you think about OpenAI's approach to safety? Do you have concerns? Let's continue the conversation in the comment section below.